Hello students, welcome to SS Power Education. Today I am going to start with a new chapter number 5, sets. So what is set? A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. When we say a set of books, okay, so we mean that there are variety of books. There are many variety of books. Okay. When we use a word set, it means collective. We are talking about a collective noun. Okay. So here, elements of a set are the objects or the members. Okay. Which are in a set. Means जो set होता है उसके अंदर अलग अलग एलिमेंट्स, जैसे मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया बुक का. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव बॉट अ सेट ऑफ बुक. ओके, 4 सेट ऑफ बुक्स. 1 इज़ फॉर इंग्लिश, 1 इज़ फॉर मराठी, 1 इज़ फॉर मैथ्स एंड 1 इज़ फॉर एग्जाम्पल ड्राइंग. ओके, सो यू हैव बॉट 4 sets of book. In that the elements are maths, English, Marathi and drawing. Okay, so here we can denote the set. Denote the set मतलब वो set का हम लोग नाम रख सकते हैं. कैपिटल ABC और उसके अंदर जो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, ठीक है, ये उस सेट का नाम होगा ABC और एक्सेट्रा. और उसके अंदर जो एलिमेंट्स है तो हम उनका नाम रख सकते हैं ABC, XYZ और एक्सेट्रा, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू कीप देम. अब देखते हैं कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि ये जो साइन है ई जैसा, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज बिलोंग्स टू. X बिलोंग्स टू A, मतलब X एक एलिमेंट है सेट A में, तो इसको बोला गया है कि X बिलोंग्स टू सेट A. ओके, एंड जब X एलिमेंट नहीं है सेट A में, when there is no element such as X in a set A, so we will write X does not belongs to A, which is this sign, belongs to and cross. X does not belongs to A. Okay, here few examples are given. So let us consider the set A of first 5 prime numbers. So here they have given first 5 sets of prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So firstly, prime numbers are those which is only divisible by 1 and itself. तो वो नंबर्स होते हैं प्राइम नंबर्स जो सिर्फ खुद के टेबल में आते हैं और 1 के टेबल में आते हैं. ठीक है, या आप कह लो कि सिर्फ 1 के ही टेबल में आते हैं. जैसे कि 2 1s are 2, 2 किसी और के टेबल में नहीं आता है. 3 1s are 3, 3 किसी और के टेबल में नहीं आता है. 5 1s are 5, 5 किसी और के टेबल में नहीं आता है. 7 1s are 7, 7 किसी और के टेबल में नहीं आता है. तो ऐसे जितने भी नंबर्स है वो है प्राइम नंबर्स. एंड 2 इज़ दी ओनली इवन प्राइम नंबर. बाकी सारे प्राइम नंबर्स ऑड होते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज 2 के टेबल में सारे इवन नंबर्स आ जाते हैं, इसलिए ओनली 2 इज़ दी ओनली इवन प्राइम नंबर. सो 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 is a set in the set A. Okay, collection in the set A. So 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, 5 belongs to A, 7 belongs to A and 11 belongs to A. But 1 does not belongs to A, 4 does not belongs to A, small a does not belongs to A, half does not belongs to A, etc. So understood, जो सेट के अंदर आता है सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसी को हम लोग belongs to the set बोलेंगे. जो नहीं आता है हम उसे does not belongs बोलेंगे अगर क्वेश्चन में पूछा है तो. ओके, नाउ कुछ कलेक्शंस जिसका आंसर हम नहीं फाइंड कर सकते वो हम लोग फॉर एग्जाम्पल For example, collection of handsome boys. So we can't say there are how many handsome boys, okay? Collection of famous poets. So we can't say there are how many famous poets. Collection of healthy children. So we can't say there are how many healthy children. So on, okay? So this can't be written in the form of set, okay? If they have told us to write 3 famous poets, then we can write. But 3 good players, then we can write. But all this we can't write. So they are called as not sets. Okay, they are not sets. Now, how to describe a set? So there are 2 methods to describe set. First is roster method or tabular form. Second is set builder form or rule method or description method. So basically this is the method which is shown here like this, and this is a descriptive method. Okay, we have to write a description about the set. Okay, so this is also called as set builder form. Means you have to build a set and write it in the see like this. Okay, now what is roster method? First we'll see what is the roster method. This method, we just have to make a list of elements and of the set and put it into the brackets. Okay, we have to use this kind of brackets. Okay, for example, let A be the set of all prime numbers between 30 to 50. We have to write the name of set A, and the elements of set A will be prime numbers between 30 to 50. Okay, again I'm telling you, prime numbers are those which are not divisible other than 1. Okay, so we have to write 31 because 31 only is only divisible by 1. Okay, then 32 is divisible by 2 and many numbers. 33 is also divisible, 34 is also divisible, 35 is also divisible, 36 is also divisible. So 37. Okay, 38, 39, 40 is also divisible. So 41, 42 is also divisible. So 43, 45, 44, 45, 46 is divisible. So 47, 48, 49, 50 is also divisible by more than 1 or 2 numbers. So only 31, 37, 41, 43, 47 is the answer. Okay. Now, second number is let B be the set of all even numbers less than 1000. So we have to write even numbers less than 1000. So there are many numbers. So we have to put this kind of dots when there are continuity in the numbers. Okay. So there are many numbers. So we will write this dot dot dot. Okay. We'll write few and then we'll put dots. Now again C is the set of all odd numbers greater than 100. So there are indefinite continuity of odd numbers. So we'll put this dot dot dot. Okay. Let D be the set of all integers less than 2. So integers are the positive, 0 and negative numbers. Okay. Integer consist with positive, negative and also 0. Okay. I am mentioning 0 because natural number doesn't consist 0. Okay. 0 doesn't belongs to natural numbers. So set of all integers less than 2. So less than 2, that means 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and left side all dots will come. Why? Because there is continuity in the integers. Okay, so why this is written ulta? Because integers go into the left hand side. We have to show the integers in the left hand side. That is why it is written ulta. Okay. Now what is set builder form? Set builder or rule method or description method is basically we have to write the list of properties. Okay, the list of properties or rules properties or rules that is satisfied by the elements of the set. Okay, so we have to basically give a description about what elements are there in the rooster form, in the set of rooster form. Okay, so this standing line or this colon is used to write the symbol of such that. Okay, now I'll read it. Here rooster form is given 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, set is given 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now इसका description ऐसा है कि x such that x belongs to natural numbers. Why natural number is written? Because 0 नहीं यूज़ किया है, 1 से स्टार्ट किया है and all the numbers are positive. So if 0 is not there and the number is starting with positive numbers, then it is a natural number. Okay, so x such that x belongs to natural numbers. This n is natural numbers, comma x is less than 7. तो 7 से छोटे सारे नंबर है और सब नेचुरल नंबर्स हैं. नाउ -2 -1 0 1 2 3. So x such that x belongs to integers. Now z is the symbol of integers. We can also write I, but sometimes z is also given. So we should know this is the sign or symbol of integers. So why integers is given? Because integer consists negative, positive and 0. So x is greater than equal to -2 and is less than equal to 3. So x is greater than equal to -2 because -2 is written. So we are supposed to write this equal to, and it is less than equal to 3 because 3 is written and less than 3 numbers are given. So here they have told x is greater than equal to -2 and x is less than equal to 3. Same way here 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24 is given. So here this is the factor of 24. Factor means in this tables 1 के टेबल में, 2 के टेबल में, 3 के टेबल में, 4 6 8 12 24, इन सब के टेबल में 24 नंबर आता है, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फैक्टर. ठीक है, जिन जिन के टेबल में 24 नंबर आता है वो सारे नंबर्स 24 के फैक्टर्स हुए. ओके, सो x सच दैट x इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 24. ओके, नाउ 8 10 12 14 16 18. ओके, सो x सच दैट x इज इक्वल्स टू 2n. इन लोगों ने लिया है 2n. ओके, n ये एलिमेंट्स है जो जिसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हमें ये आंसर मिला है. n belongs to natural numbers. Okay, n is greater than equal to 4 and n is less than equal to 9. Why they have taken 4 and 9? Here तो 8 and 18 ये सब numbers दिए हैं. Why? Because they have used 2 into n. तो n जो है वो 4 and 4 से बड़ा but 9 and 9 से छोटा है. तो 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into 6 is 12, 2 into 7 is 14, 2 into 8 is 16 and 2 into 9 is 18. Okay, so sometimes it is a bit complicated, but with practice each and every student can solve the sum of sets. Now the fifth one is 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Can you see these are the squares? Okay, so these are the squares. So x such that x is equals to n square. This is the square of n. Okay, n belongs to natural numbers and n is equal to greater than 4 and smaller than equal to 10. So 4 का square is 16, 5 का square is 25, 6 का square is 36, 7 is 49, 8 is 64, 9 is 81 and 10 is 100. Now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So x such that x is equals to 2n minus 1. Now they have taken 2n in minus 1, where n is when n belongs to natural numbers and your n is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 8. That means 2 into 1 minus 1, which is 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1, 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 into 3 is 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 1 7. 2 into 5 is 10 minus 1 9. 2 into 6 is 12 minus 1 11. 2 into 7 is 14. 14 minus 1 is 13. 2 into 8 is 16 minus 1 is 15. Okay. These way we have to solve this. Okay. Now half, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 5 and so on. So here fractions number is given. So x such that x or x is equals to, Rx is equals to n upon n plus 1. Okay, n upon n plus 1, where n is belongs to natural numbers. So n, if your n is 1, so 1 upon 1 plus 1, which is 1 upon 2. 2 upon 2 plus 1, which is 2 upon 3. 3 upon 3 plus 1, which is 3 upon 4. 4 upon 4 plus 1, which is 4 upon 5, and so on. Okay. Now 3 and minus 4. So 3 and minus 4. Why only two numbers are given? See, x such that x belongs to rational numbers. Okay. So here again rational numbers are positive and negative numbers. Okay. X square plus x minus 12 is equals to 0. So your x square, if you have taken, for example, minus 3. So minus 3 का square is 9 plus 3 is 12 minus 12 is 0. So ये आंसर को इसमें सब्सटीट्यूट करने के बाद आंसर ज़ीरो आना चाहिए. जैसे -4 स्क्वायर विल बी +16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Okay. Now 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So here x such that x is 5n. N belongs to whole numbers. Okay. Now whole numbers also consist 0 and all positive numbers. Whole number doesn't belongs to negative numbers. So here your n is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 6. So that means 5 into 0, 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25 and 5 six are 30. Okay. Now here few numbers are given and few names are given. Okay. So n is natural numbers. Natural number consists of all positive numbers except 0. Whole numbers. Whole numbers का symbol is W. It consists of all the positive numbers with 0. Now Z or I can be used for integers. Integers belongs to all the negative and positive numbers with 0. Now here Q is the rational number. Rational number belongs to all the upon numbers, all the fractions. Okay. So finite and infinite sets. Finite means the numbers which we can count. Okay. The elements which can come to an end is called as finite set. And infinite sets means the numbers or the elements of a set which is uncountable. Okay. Or it cannot be it doesn't comes to an end. Okay, so this is called as infinite. Okay, so finite ka examples are prime numbers less than 100. So there is a stop because they have given 100 number where we have to stop. Okay, x is less than 50,000. Sorry, 5 lakhs. So we have to stop somewhere around 5 lakhs. Okay, so here this sometimes we cannot count the objects of a finite set, but we know that the counting process will surely come to an end. Like set of all persons on the earth, set of all trees on the earth, set of all trains in the world. These is difficult to count, but surely we can count if we want to. Okay, so here infinite ka examples we'll see. All natural numbers. So there are infinite numbers. There is no end in the counting of numbers. So we can't stop. So this is infinite. Integers less than 10. So this is also infinite because integers means negative numbers. So there are a lot of negative numbers where we can't stop. Okay, so rational numbers between 0 to 1. So rational number is basically fraction. So between 0 to 1 there are many fractions. Okay, set of all concentric circles with a given center. So we can draw a lot of circles with just a given center point. Okay, so there are infinite circles we can draw with just one center point. Okay, the set of all points on an arc of a circle. So we can set innumerable points on the arc of the circle. So this is also infinite. Okay, so what is cardinal number of a finite set? So the number, what are the elements given in the set, we have to count the elements. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there are 7 cardinal number or 7 elements in the finite set. So number of set A is equals to 7, or cardinal number of A is 7. Okay, so this was cardinal number. Now empty set. This is a denotation of empty set, which is also called as phi. Okay, this is also denoted for empty set. Okay, this kind of empty set. So when there is no answer means see even prime greater than 5. So there is no even prime greater than 5 because there is only even prime, that is 2. So if we don't have any answer, we have to write this empty set. And non-empty set, we'll just give a slash in equal to and write this empty. So that means this is not an empty set. Now what is singleton set? Singleton set is where only one element is there in the set. So this is called as singleton set. Okay, so if null set or empty set is given like this 0 and this 0, this both are different. Okay, these 3 are different. Why? Because this contain no element. Null set or empty set contains no element. That is why it is this symbol is shown. If 0 is given inside the bracket, then the set contains one element, that is 0. Okay, 0 is a number. This 0 is a number. It is not a set. So this null set, this null set, this 0 inside the bracket and this 0 are all different. Okay, now equal sets. If set A and set B have equal elements, okay, so that means they both are equal. Like A consists 0 and B consists 0. So here clearly we can see that both have one cardinal number. So this is equal. So here P and Q. P consists of letter F, O, L, L, W, O, W. So we don't have to write the letters which are given twice. So we have to write only once. So F, O, L, O. F, O, L, W. We will write this. And the Q consists W, O, L, F, wolf. So that means here also they have 4 elements. Here also they have 4 elements. And both are same. So clearly we can see P and Q are equal. Okay. And when there is no equality, then we'll write a slash on the equal to sign. Okay. Now equivalent set. We will denote this sign for equivalent set. So when two finite sets A and B are said to be equivalent or written as A is equivalent to B, then number of A is equal to number of B. Okay, that means they have same number of elements. Like here this should be same. F, F, O, O, L, L, W, W. Okay, this was same. But this have same number. जैसे यहाँ पे A, E, I, O, U 5 है, यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो नंबर सेम होने चाहिए. इसके अंदर कितने नंबर्स है वो सेम होने चाहिए. मीन्स कार्डिनल नंबर शुड बी सेम ऑफ सेट A and set B. Then this both are called as equivalent sets. Okay. So here remark is given, two equal sets are always equivalent, but two equivalent sets need to be equal. As shown, A and B are equivalent sets, but they are not equal. So this both are equal set and equivalent sets, but this both are not equal set. They are only equivalent sets. Okay. तो जो equal sets है वो equivalent sets भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन जो equivalent set है क्योंकि उसके अंदर के जो elements है वो अलग अलग होते हैं, इसलिए वो equal sets में नहीं आ सकते. ओके, सो नाउ आई एंड द वीडियो हियर बिकॉज ये बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. I will teach you this exercise in the next video. Hope you all understood the topics. It will get cleared off in the exercise. So do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. See you in the next video.